Good morning, good afternoon, good day to you. I am Rhonda of Rhonda Said, and today I am finally going to have my bypass surgery, which is very exciting. After months and months of waiting and tests and approvals and rescheduling, it's really going to happen today. So I thought I would just make this video to let you guys know that I'm a little nervous, I'm a little anxious. That's why I'm up at 2:30 in the morning making this video for you. I make this video. I just wanted to let you know that I'm ready. Everything's prepared. I am on task. I am on target. I haven't had anything to eat or drink since before midnight. And my whole life is going to change today. So I'm just excited that it's really going to happen, that everything's changing. And I don't have my fancy lighting of the studio or anything. I've got a ring light on right now. And I'm on the couch with Louie, my favorite little baby cat. And I'm just screwing around on the internet trying to pass time till it's time for the big kahuna, the gastric bypass surgery conversion from a gastric sleeve to the gastric bypass. I've got a friend that's going to be with me through the surgery and into the recovery process. And then I'll be in the hospital for a couple of days. And if I'm up to it tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 5th, I will do my live stream from the hospital. So we'll have to just wait and see. So I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And the next time you see me, I will have had surgery. Bye.